What's the first word that comes to mind when you hear responsible AI?
For me, it's human. I think it's something that we often pay lip service to, but tend to forget when it comes to the reality of how we apply responsible AI. So bringing AI to the fact that all of this, it's a tool, it's a technology, which means that it's rooted in, what do we want to get out of it, and it has to begin and end with how does it help us, and that means everyone. So impact on communities, on stakeholders, on employees, on employers, on the environment, all of that.
Perfect. If you could give a company one rule for using AI responsibly, what would that be?
Um, I mean, potentially controversially, I'd say, do you need AI? So I'd always say, ask yourself the question of why am I thinking of using AI? A lot of the time you find that what you can do it with traditional technologies. You don't need AI. So for me, that's a really good sense check. And a lot of the time, that just asking that question, even if you do end up using AI, you know exactly why you need it and what for and how to use it responsibly.
Perfect. And which aspect of AI worries you the most when it comes to responsibility and safety?
Right now, unsurprisingly, it's probably agentic AI. I think the possibility, it's a combination of two things. One of them is the possibilities for things to go wrong is now like, diametrically, it's just so much bigger than just single agent AI. But the other one is, I think, people's appreciation of the risks is still not catching up with the actual risks. People still underestimate how problematic it is to have an agentic system if you haven't got the responsible AI framing and tooling in place to mitigate any of the risks.